Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install GitLab Enterprise Edition on Debian 9. This is my server information, operating system Debian 9, server IP address 10.66, 100.40, RAM 4GB, but I recommend for your production server must be use 8GB. Disk space 50GB, service GitLab Enterprise Edition. Now I checking server version and IP address. This is my server version and this is IP address. And check hostess file and must be add your server IP address and fully FQDN into etc hostess file, and then must be server update and upgrade using this command. Update and upgrade done. Now install some dependency package, internet site, postfix config. Yes, installation done. Now add auto installation script GitLab EE edition. EE, that means Enterprise Edition. The repository is set up. You can now install package. Now I run this installation command apt install GitLab Enterprise Edition. Now running this download 1002 MB and it will take 30 minutes for download and installation done. Thank you for installing GitLab. This is GitLab logo. GitLab installation done. Now reconfigure Gitlab using command Gitlab Ctl Reconfigure. It will be up to 5 to 6 minutes for reconfigure. Running all reconfigure. GitLab reconfigured done. Now start GitLab Ctl. All service status start and then check GitLab Ctl status. Yes, all service running properly. Now I am going to GitLab Rails console, option E production. Because of root user cannot log in using default password, must be reset password needed, then working login, otherwise not. Yes, now login GitLab Rails console. Now reset admin root user password. This is command is where ID 1, that means select root user, and user password must be replace your own password, and confirm password, then save user. Yes, now try login using username, root, and password is password. Username root, username root and password is password. Yes, now successfully login. Root is administrator user. Do you want to customize your page? SSS key, navigation theme, Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.